Now there are two ways to do inequality, so I'm going to teach you both ways in this question. Now the first way is to retain the orientation, the direction of your inequality sign at all times. Okay, so and we treat it like an equal sign. Bring all the x to the side that will make it positive. So in this case, I bring the x to the right side. Because if you bring 3x to the left, you will get x minus 3x, and then you will get negative 2x. So the first method uses the fact that you need to bring the x to the positive side. Okay, so keep the negative 5 there, bring the 8 over. 3x minus x, so this becomes negative 13 less than 2x. Now look at the orientation, direction of this mouth here. It points towards 2x. I'm going to rewrite the 2x here. The mouth still points towards 2x. Negative 13. X is more than negative 13 over 2. X is more than negative 6.5. Alright, now this is the first method that you can use. Now the second method uses what is known as a flipping technique. So let's say you want to bring it to the left, right? Bring the x terms to the left. So you will have x minus 3x less than 8 plus 5. Negative 2x less than 13. Now this is when you have to make the x positive, right? Because you are trying to find a positive x. So when you change this sign, alright, you will have to flip your inequality. Okay, you have to flip when you change the signs for this and this, flip the inequality. So x is going to be more than negative 13 over 2, x is more than negative 6.5, which is exactly the same as our first method.